power. It's a force that shapes destinies, for better or worse. Throughout history, humanity has grappled with how to wield it responsibly. The concept of separation of powers emerged as a beacon of hope, a framework designed to prevent tyranny and safeguard freedom. At its core, separation of powers divides governmental authority into distinct branches. Each branch is entrusted with specific responsibilities, preventing any one entity from accumulating excessive power. This division is fundamental to a just and equitable society. It ensures that power remains distributed and accountable. The idea is simple yet profound. By separating powers, we safeguard liberty. The seeds of separation of powers were sown long ago. Ancient Greece offered early glimpses of this concept. Aristotle, the renowned philosopher, recognized the need for distinct governmental functions. He identified the deliberative, executive, and judicial branches, laying the groundwork for future thinkers. Centuries later, the Enlightenment rekindled the flame of this idea. Charles de Montesquieu, a French philosopher, became a key proponent of separation of powers. In his influential work, The Spirit of the Laws, Montesquieu argued passionately for the division of government. His ideas resonated deeply, influencing the framers of the United States Constitution and shaping modern democracies worldwide. The separation of powers typically manifests in three distinct branches of government: the legislative, executive, and judicial. Each branch plays a crucial role in the intricate dance of governance. The legislative branch, often embodied in a parliament or congress, is responsible for making laws. It's the people's voice, translating societal needs and aspirations into concrete policies. The executive branch, headed by a president or prime minister, implements and enforces these laws, ensuring their practical application. Finally, the judicial branch, consisting of courts and judges, interprets laws and ensures they adhere to the principles of justice and fairness. This tripartite system ensures that no single branch can act unilaterally, promoting balance and accountability within the government. Section 4. Checks and balances, a system of safeguards. To further fortify the separation of powers, a system of checks and balances is essential. This intricate web of oversight mechanisms empowers each branch to restrain the others, preventing overreach and potential abuse of power. For instance, the executive branch can veto legislation, preventing the legislative branch from enacting laws deemed harmful. The legislative branch, in turn, can impeach and remove members of the executive or judicial branches for misconduct. The judicial branch can declare laws unconstitutional, providing a crucial check on both the legislative and executive branches. This intricate interplay of checks and balances ensures that power remains distributed, preventing its dangerous concentration in any one entity. It's a delicate yet robust system, constantly adapting to safeguard the principles of democracy. Section 5. The enduring importance of separation of powers. The separation of powers remains as relevant today as it was centuries ago. It stands as a cornerstone of democratic governance, ensuring the protection of individual liberties and the rule of law. By preventing the concentration of power, it safeguards against tyranny and promotes accountability. When power is distributed, no single entity can dominate the political landscape or silence dissenting voices. The beauty of the separation of powers lies in its adaptability. While its core principles remain constant, its practical implementation can vary to suit the unique needs of each nation. From the United States to the United Kingdom and India, nations around the world have embraced the separation of powers, tailoring it to their specific contexts. This flexibility ensures its continued relevance in a rapidly changing world. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, the separation of powers remains our steadfast guide, a beacon illuminating the path towards a more just and equitable future.